Storm de Beul, a 22-year-old Belgian YouTube adventurer, tragically lost his life in a freak snowstorm in Sweden on November 21st, 2024. Known for sharing his extreme outdoor experiences, he was filming himself in harsh weather conditions when the snowstorm unexpectedly intensified. As he became overwhelmed by the freezing temperatures and the worsening storm, he sent a final message to his friends pleading for help. Despite his attempts to survive, the conditions proved fatal. His tragic death serves as a stark reminder of the dangers adventurers face when pushing the limits of nature.